Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if you keep getting the unable to ship your order error. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com. So if you've not done already that, go right there and it's going to open up this main page from where in the upper right corner we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this main page, we can get started with accessing the editor in the upper left corner. This is going to enable us to access our configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to fix this error right here that you might be getting if you're unable to ship your order. So as you can see right here in the official Odoo forum, somebody already posted the same question with a similar error, and we have solutions by people more knowledgeable and who are developers at Odoo. So this message, it shows when the delivery methods are restricted per destination. So on the warehouse configuration, you want to go to configuration tab right here and access your warehouse settings, and from here we can get started with choosing our delivery method and editing it. Then you're going to turn on the option advanced pricing per destination, and this is going to fix your problem. You can create already the list, choose destination, put only the country that you want the delivery for to be, and after that this is going to go and fix any problems. So if you need more help, go to the forums, take a look at what people are saying about it, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.